Try and not get the rods caught here. Lovely and clear. It wasn't this clear when I came here before. Wow, that water is high. Might not get a fish today, but we're going to try. Right, here we go. First cast. Ooh. It feels quite fishy today. You know, if you guys are, or girls, are fishermen slash fisherwomen, you'll know what I'm on about. Sometimes you go somewhere and you're like, nah, I'm not going to catch any fish. But today it does feel fishy. I'm probably going to catch nothing, but it does definitely feel fishy. Let it sink for a second. That's not me dancing, that's me just moving my old leg. It's very windy. I'm not sure if the microphone's going to pick up all the wind or not. If it does, I can only apologise. Nothing yet. It's like I'm expecting to get something in the first two catches. You know when you listen back to your videos and you're like, shit, I actually sound that way. I don't know if there's anybody in the world that likes the sound of their own voice. I certainly don't. I think I've got something on here. It's not a fish, it's like a twig or something maybe. There's some big salmon running up here just now. And some big sea trout, so fingers crossed and all that. What is it? It is. Oh, it's nothing. How weird. Don't know if you can see what's on the back of my hoodie. It is Back British Farming. Field to fork. No farmers, no food. Have a look for these hoodies online. Or the Stuck Farmer ones. If you know what that ones mean. Stuck Farmer. You get a few weird looks when you wear that t-shirts and the hoodies around, but it's all good. This water is actually running very quick. Very, very quick. Oh, that was a nibble. There is eels in here too, so when you think you've got a salmon or a sea trout, sometimes the eel actually go for your lure as much as they do a worm or anything else. It's crazy. All together now. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy. Thou shalt have a fishy when the boat comes in. Does anybody know any other fishing songs? I'll tell you what, that sun is blinding. Shannis. It's like having a fire in the eyes, ironically enough. Which way shall I cast? That way? Good call. Boom! Right on the noggin. Well, that fish is dead. I've noticed as well, after I cast, I'm like leaning down to the left. I'm a little teapot, all this kind of stuff. Try and stand up. Push on manly way straight back. Easy to do when you don't have a metal rod in it. A rettle rod? When you don't have a rettle rod in your back. Come on, get that sunshine out the eyes. Where are we going? Boom. It's mad to think that the fish are still there after that thing landed in the water. I mean, it's only 15 grams, but... Oh, man, that's just... I have a ginger beard, man. What are you doing to me? Put the head down. Keep the whole noggin down. Any cloud? No. It was nice and cloudy when I left. And now the sun is just... Here, let's go that way. There we go. Actually, I've seen somebody in Longo. Does anybody else fish and do this? Turn it upside down and do this. I was speaking to a chap a couple of weeks ago. Was that a couple of weeks ago? Might have been a couple of days ago, who knows? And he was fishing like this. Actually, it feels alright, yeah? I'm sitting here fishing with one eye closed. That sun is just so bright. There's definitely fish moving, which is good. It's not good if they are being chased by seals, but it's good if they're moving. And the tide is definitely on the way down, because this river is tidal. Maybe dropped 3 inches since I've been here. Which we all know is this much. Don't worry guys, I've got your back. But no takes yet. The wind is pretty crazy, so I'm not even sure how this audio is going to come out. You might not be able to hear a word I'm saying, which for you guys is probably great. Oh, try and straighten it back. You know what, I'll cast in a spot I usually don't, because I know you get snagged when it's low water, but it's quite high just now. So fingers crossed that I don't. Right, I always get snagged over there when the water's a bit lower. But hopefully. Shit, that is so hot coming off that water. I've also had to use my bag as a bit of a support for the tripod that you guys are currently sitting on. Well, not literally, but you know, the phone. Nothing. Not a Scooby. Can't even see where that lands. Right, what I'll do is I think I'll wait until there's some form of cloud. There's a cloud here, but it's not hurrying up. It's coming the way the wind is blowing, so hopefully that sun gets tucked away for a little bit, because I'm sitting here all cross-eyed. I have the net out in anticipation. Don't know if you can see it here on the floor, down here. Have it all ready. Have everything sitting there. So I'm ready to go. Just need a fish. I have way too much ginger in my beard for this amount of sun. I'll tell you what, you would think my phone is drunk sitting on that tripod. While I have your attention, let me tell you who the sponsor of this video is. Absolutely nobody, just me. So, if you don't mind, if you can like and comment, if you're really feeling generous, subscribe. Do you want to subscribe? Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Leave a comment. Tom, your videos are shit. That's alright. That's a comment. I'll still interact. Be like, thank you very much. Cheers for the comment. You don't have to blow a smoke up the old trumpet and be like, oh, you're amazing. Nah, just didn't like your video, mate. That's sound. You know, what didn't you like about it? You're shit. Well, that's good. It's a comment. Try and get me in the whole algorithm for fishing and hiking and going around the Highlands on silly little bikes that piss a lot of people off. I've got my 1200 BMW. Oh, good for you. Now, I've had a lot of big bikes and I have more fun on the little bikes. In fact, I've just put a video up, I believe 2 days ago from whenever this is, and it's not doing very well. I mean, some of my videos are getting 6, 7, 8,000 views. Never get very many likes, to be fair. But yeah, if you are all feeling generous, all 6 of you who are watching this, it used to be 3, now we're at 6. It was 5, we missed out 4. Then yeah, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. You can even do that little, dingy bell where it's like, ding ding, whatever that's for. A reminder that I'm doing things. What are you doing, Tom? I have no clue. Don't follow me, guys. I'm lost as well. Should we do a catch and cook? All these Harry Potter fish that don't exist, that have these invisible cloaks on. Still good for the old noggin though. Why are you out fishing, Tom? You've not caught any fish? Well, because I'm standing by the water and I'm not watching TV where it's all doom and gloom. People getting hurt. I'm outside living it up a little. Getting burnt on the face. I have brown hair and ginger in my beard. Just so you know, gingivitis is a crazy disease, which I have half of. It's very, very hot. Where's all the fish at? Not here. I just put stuff on to stop the water. I'll show you. Do you have a spot of gingivitis like Tom? If you do, Nivea Sun 50 Plus will help your gingivitis but will not give you a sore. I think this actually burns me. I think we'll probably leave it here. Look at this. Who do you think they buried in there? Been there for hundreds of years. You never know. Could be a witch's cove.